Today we look into Mootion, an AI tool which turns your ideas into visual stories. Faceless short videos, bedtime stories or just storytelling, all is possible with Mootion. Let's go in! So first you go on mootion.com. Here you have an overview about the tool. If you scroll down a bit, you see some community results, which are great. We wanna generate a faceless short video first. I entered the prompt, how people can walk on the moon. We hit generate. Now he's creating a whole story about our topic. He's planning the script here, the whole story. Now he's choosing automatically some output language, ratio and a visual style. We have to do nothing, just wait for the creation. Now he generated some scene images based on our prompt and generated script. So he's generating all animations for each scene, and this is just awesome at Mootion. He does all automatically, we have to do nothing. That's awesome. We have some extra options like scene effects and stuff like that. We let all on default and let him do it. And he's already finished. It took like a minute or two. We have a summary, we have some hashtags. Let's have a look.
The process of walking on the moon begins with understanding the unique environment and preparing meticulously for it. The moon's surface is unlike anything.
The animations of the scene images are great, the voiceover is good. We could also add subtitles for it, but that's just awesome. We just put a sentence here and he did this whole video. It's even longer, it's 3 minutes long, it's great. We can do the whole process manually also. So I entered another prompt, a woman and a turtle princess swimming in the ocean together. We want a general creation. Now we can adjust all things here, like the output language, the tone, other AI avatar. We want a story, so we don't need an avatar here. We want a 3D cartoon. We could also use custom recordings or custom content, but we are fine. We hit generate. Now Mootion is creating a whole story about the story we entered, about a woman with her turtle. He named the woman Clara. He generated many scenes here with different stories, different images, and now he's fully finished. It took like a minute. We can adjust the script, we can regenerate images, we can animate the images, we can insert our own images here. Let's see a bit. No, it looks fantastic. Exactly that's what we wanted. Just for the demonstration, let's regenerate here. We can adjust the prompt for it, but we just hit generate, and now he generated a new image. It took like 10 seconds. It's awesome. It's so easy. The interface is very clear. Let's animate this one. We can add an additional prompt here, but we just hit OK. Let's see what he did. Perfect. Now we hit next. We can choose a title style, subtitle style, include a thumbnail, scene effects, scene transitions, the voiceover. Let's see, like this one here.
Hi there, if I'm not back in 5 minutes.
Let's choose him. We don't want the avatar. We can also add AI music here. We don't want now. And we hit next. Now it's generating the whole video based on our settings before. And once he is ready, we will look at it.
As the sun began its descent into the ocean's horizon, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink, Clara prepared for her daily ritual. Her constant companion in these adventures was Princess, her beloved turtle.
So the second part is not animated because we only animated the first part, but you get the idea. It's just awesome what Mootion can do, just out of one sentence. Great. To the pricing of Mootion, on the free you have 200 credits. You have nearly all features of Mootion already included. On the standard you have access to all visual styles and also watermarked free outputs. Great. So if you liked it, try it. See you in the next one.